Water is the most important resource for life on Earth. It is the foundation of life on our planet Earth. However, if you ever see a river or lake near your city, you will notice that we are dealing with a serious problem of water pollution.
Water pollution is defined as any contamination of water with chemicals or other foreign substances that are harmful to the health of humans, plants, or animals. These pollutants include agricultural runoff, fertilizers and pesticides, as well as sewage and food processing waste. The source of water pollution can come from natural runoff, dissolved chemicals in water that permeate the soils, as well as from human activities such as agriculture, mining, construction, industry, homes, and businesses. According to Jones G. 2003, point source is a pollution source that comes from an identified and specific source that goes into water body. The example of a point source includes the discharge pipe from a factory. Point sources are easy to control and monitor as compared to non-point sources. Second is the non-point sources. According to Jones G. 2003, it is defined as the introduction of impurities into surface water body from a source that is not specific and hard to identify. It is hard to isolate and control the non-point sources. The examples of non-point sources are automobile emission, road dirt, and runoff from parking lots, as well as runoff and leachate from agricultural fields.
What are the causes of water pollution? Water is uniquely vulnerable to pollution, known as universal solvent. Water is able to dissolve more substances than any other liquid on Earth. It's the reason we have cool 8 and brilliant blue waterfalls. It's also why water is so easily polluted. Toxic substances from farm, towns, and factories readily dissolve into and mix with it, causing water pollution. What are the effects of water pollution? On human health, contaminated water can also make you ill. Waterborne pathogens in the form of disease-causing bacteria and viruses from human and animal waste are the major cause of illness from contaminated drinking water. Diseases spread by unsafe water include cholera, giardia, and typhoid. While on the environment, entry of the pollutants into waterways or large water body create acidic lakes, raises the temperature of water bodies, promote the spread of algae blooms, and lead to dissolved oxygen depletion. This can force fish and other aquatic animals out of their location in search for more adaptable water areas.
The law that associates with water pollution is known as Philippine Clean Water Act of 2004 or Republic Act No. 9275. It is an act providing for a comprehensive water quality management and for other purposes. This act provides for the abatement and control of pollution from land-based sources and based on water quality standards and regulations.
What can you do to prevent water pollution? With your actions, we are all accountable to some degree of today's water pollution problem. Reduce your plastic consumption and reuse or recycle plastic when you can. Properly dispose of chemical cleaners, oils, and non-biodegradable items to keep them from going down to the drain. Be mindful of anything you pour into storm sewers, since the waste often won't be treated before being released into local waterways. If you notice a storm sewer blocked by litter, clean it up to keep the trash out of the water. You'll also help prevent troublesome street floods in a heavy storm.